How to set the speech controller, long press and double tap action on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, go down and tap on Spoken Content. Then tap on Speech Controller. In here, go to the controller actions and then tap on long press. In here, you can choose between none, read all content, or speak on touch. The same for double tap. You can tap on it, and in here, you can assign none, read all content, or speak on touch. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.